What's going on, guys? I'm at Fort Worth Barber Supply. Just got in late last night. I actually left my family vacation from Disney, flew in late last night. We're about to do my first hands-on class. I'm still hoping to plan the tour, guys, but we're probably not gonna start it till next year. So you guys stay tuned for dates like that. I wanna give you guys plenty of time to grab tickets. But let's head in here, see what's going on in the Barber Supply, and get ready for this class. I guess I'm starting something new. I got a keynote. That's a presentation, basically like PowerPoint. I got a nice presentation. I'm gonna show a few clips, guys, but I can't give away the farm, so I'm not gonna show too much about the presentation. But I wanna show you guys enough so that if you're interested in taking one of these classes when I go on tour, you guys will hop in. So I want you guys to know that this presentation is gonna be next level. I hope these guys like it and they really take something away. I'm gonna interview them at the end and kind of just get some feedback on it, and I hope that this is the new move, but I think it's gonna be solid. That burst shape. So guidelines are super important. So we want to place it where we want it. Same steps every time. I talk about my clip of work, guys. Literally do the same steps every time. And I'm going to break that down to millimeters. Ideally, I would love for you guys all to write it down as we go through it, because it is going to seem a little bit complicated, but it doesn't have to be overly complicated. Is it not styling well for you? Yeah. You know, what length is good for you? You know, the inch doesn't always mean an inch, right? Like, especially if you like that when you got that on film? Yeah. That's where we cut originally. All on purpose. All on purpose, everything going together, the shapes going together. Our bald line is going to follow this perfectly as well.
How would you use both of those foils?
Like down here.
Okay.
Cover more ground. So now I got a big area. I'll just bald all this out. Wherever your clipper work is, you're doing the same thing every time. It's just in a different spot.
Yeah. Once you do it, of course, but can you explain how you clean out your gun after every use when you end up
Okay, so
connect to the top, and then you can put your fade under. And we overcomplicate it because once you start fading, you try to connect to the blade. I mean, again, like just like we like to cut different styles and different things, and we might like the detail. There's people that want quick, so
for the record, Beam did it.
What we got going on here?
Instead of where we want, the lower it is, the more length you have, obviously. But then it's harder to get. Woo! I love women with pompadours. Cut number 2. He been cutting more years than he not been cutting. You said 6th grade? That's wild. Okay.
It's coming together.
You guys are good. Solid. A little burst fade. How'd that feel? You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Boy. With them Los Cutter things.
Yes, sir.
This is the detention hall over here. Y'all off in the cut. Look at this. We was talking earlier about leaving here and connecting to the top. I think we accomplished something today. That all makes sense to you pretty good?
Yeah, man.
That's so much better. So that's good. That's money. And then like back here, if you don't like it's a little bit heavy, you can thin and shear that. Go back, like you have a corner right here that's a little bit heavy that I probably didn't get good enough. So you just need to hit that again. You can thin and shear, whatever you want to do. Yeah, but that's looking solid. Big chop. Where you come in all the way from?
From Everett, Washington.
Washington. My man flew all the way in. You get in yesterday?
I got in yesterday.
Yeah, cool. Bro, I appreciate you coming. That's crazy.
Appreciate you having me.
I want to get out there, man. I'm a big Seattle fan, actually. My first pro sporting event was a Sonics game.
You get basketball team.
Yeah, I wish they go back. I love them old uniform. Y'all listen, man. Y'all listen, man. I'm in Texas. Y'all ain't seen him in a minute. My man Miniweather pulled up.
Yes, sir.
He's like, what, an hour away?
Hour and 10 minutes away.
Hour and 10 minutes. Came over just to support the fam. You know he had to cop some stuff at the Barber Supply. That's why I got to get out of here before I go home with some stuff. But No, I appreciate my guy. You gonna drop a video soon, he says so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I done been to a lot of classes, and I gotta say, my boy Sean probably had one of the best classes I done been to. The theory was dope. The visuals was dope. He didn't have no chalkboard. He didn't have no whiteboard. He had an actual. What was that? What you use that on?
It's Keynote, but I just hand drew those.
My boy
those
did
templates.
a whole keynote, and he had the pictures to go with it, man. It was.
I'm telling you, I told you guys this is the first time I tested it out, but that's some good feedback. So
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
appreciate it, bro.
What's up? I'm Luke Spitzer, aka Spitz Cuts from College Station, Texas.
You was the one with the rap video.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all seen it. I'm gonna link it in there. Y'all seen it.
Yeah, today came out to the class with Seancutshair Get Beam. It was really good. Sean, he's an educator at heart. That's his mission. And today he really did. He broke it down, just how to approach any ethnicity, any hair texture. Did his thing. It was really broke it down to the nitty gritty, and it was good to learn from
The
him.
bugs as well. We're gonna go see the
sorry.
finished haircut. Is your model still here?
No, he's not.
Oh, he already left.
I'm sorry.
All right, you good? We got it in the video.
It
It was the curly mohawk y'all saw, but he crushed it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So I'm Johnny J Ray Blends on Instagram from Waco, Texas. Only been licensed for 10 months, and this is my second Seancutshair 2.5 class. He taught me a whole lot of gems today, a whole lot. He's really blessed. I think this is gonna take me over the hump. I'm about to level.
We about to see it,
I'm
huh?
about to level up.
All right, man. I appreciate you coming out.
So, man, I'm True, from California originally, out here in Texas right now. Cutting hair, OG Shop, getting some education from Sean, man. Learning some new things, new textures, new techniques. It's a great time, good time.
What's up? Appreciate you.
My name's Jimmy. I'm out of Irving, Texas. I've been here since Katrina. I cut at One Nice Cut. I'm sitting here chilling with my boy Sean from 245. Man, he giving you all the gems. No matter if you just starting or been in the game for a while, you can learn a lot from him.
Appreciate it, my dude.
Oh, appreciate that.
All right, guys, so that's it for the video. It was a hell of a class. I appreciate all you guys that came out. Super good time. First time I've done that curriculum, so I appreciate all the feedback. You guys said you had a good time. I think everybody learned a lot. So you guys stay tuned. Those of you who are waiting for a tour stop somewhere else, just wait. We're going to put the dates out soon. You guys will be able to go ahead and get tickets. But for now, guys, I got to head back home. I don't know if I mentioned this in the video, but I came straight from Disney when I came here. My family and all of them already went home, so I have no car. And so for the first time, guys, I'm gonna fly into my city that I live in. It is a very small airport. So usually I fly to Nashville and drive 2 hours, but we're gonna fly into Owensboro. So I want you guys to come along with me and check out this experience I'm about to have. All right, guys, so I had this funny joke planned. I was gonna tell you guys I had a private jet I was waiting on. Walk onto the runway, get onto my next flight, and it was gonna be a little 8-seater. I haven't taken it yet. It is the Nashville to Owensboro flight, so I haven't done that yet. But I got here late. They held us on the runway for like an hour because of the weather, and I missed the flight. So I'm currently sitting downstairs, starting to edit this video, and waiting for my in-laws to come all the way 2 hours away to pick me up and then drive home. So anyway, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I thought that would be cool to show you guys that small plane. It was gonna be kind of a cool experience. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but it didn't work out. So anyway, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm tired, I'm going home. Catch you guys next time.